So your TU email is your main contact point for your professors and other classmates. The way you access it is through the University of Tulsa website, and you use your ID. So you have your number ID, and it's a string of a bunch of numbers, but your email ID is your initials and then a string of numbers as well. And so mine is ARM591. That's just an example for you. And so to log into your email, you use the letters and number combination and then the password that you choose. And so that's how you'll access everything through your email. You'll also use that same login for the University of Tulsa website and Harvey, which is what you'll use for all of your classes. Yeah, so if you'd like, you can link your TU email account to another email account that you already have. So I forward all of my emails to my Gmail account. And the way you do that is on the University of Tulsa website, or you can email help@utulsa.edu, and that's our IT department. So TU Connect is an app that you have on your phone, and you definitely need to download it before orientation week. If you don't, we'll make sure you get it as soon as possible. But it's your connection to everything that's happening on campus. It has calendars, it has group organizations, everything like that. It even has a map if you're lost during orientation week. So anything you may possibly need for the University of Tulsa is on that app.